The price of Stellar Lumens is confronting difficulties. Despite Bitcoin's recovery, XRP20 has surpassed the $1 million milestone. Major cryptocurrencies are experiencing a notable resurgence, as evidenced by a 1% increase in the global cryptocurrency market capitalization over the past 24 hours. In addition, Bitcoin's price has rebounded to surpass the $29,000 mark, despite optimistic market forecasts. Stellar's weekly performance has been negative, with a decrease of nearly 4% over the past week. Since the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) appears inclined to challenge Ripple's recent legal victory, investors anticipate an increase in selling activity regarding the coin in the coming days. As a result, investors have shifted their focus towards pre-sale tokens that exhibit superior performance compared to the broader cryptocurrency market, with XRP20 emerging as the prevailing preference. The current state of Stellar is unfavorable, prompting an investigation into the potential magnitude of XLM's decline. XLM exhibits a persistently poor performance on the cryptocurrency market, with a decline of more than 5% over the past week, despite a marginal increase of 1% over the past hour. The token's present trading price is 14 cents, and investors anticipate a further decline in the market last month. Stellar experienced a significant increase in momentum following Ripple's victory against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission section. The coin exhibited a similar pattern to XRP's upward market trend, exhibiting a significant increase of up to 50 and reaching a trading value close to 18 cents. Ripple and Stellar have a shared historical foundation, so the connection between XLM and XRP is not a recent development. Stellar was introduced in 2014 by Jed McCaleb, who is a co-founder of both Ripple and the MTGOX exchange. Stellar's launch involved the forking of the Ripple codebase. Ripple places a greater emphasis on catering to the needs of banks and other financial institutions, whereas Stellar focuses primarily on serving retail clients. Stellar has recently adopted a pessimistic outlook due to the absence of a bullish narrative and a potential risk posed by the SEC's appeal of Ripple's partial victory. The technical analysis of XLM also indicates a negative outlook for the coin, as exemplified by the daily sell signal issued by TradingViews for the token. Moreover, there is a risk of falling below its 30-day exponential moving average, which is currently valued at 0.138. as well as its overall moving average, which is currently valued at 0.139. Based on the research provided by cryptocurrency investor in crypto, the recent upward trend in Stellar appears to have ended, prompting the trader to consider initiating a short position for the token. The trader intends to initiate this position when the token's price falls below its established support line, $0.136. The upcoming release of the CPI report on August 10 has garnered considerable attention. The analysis of inflation data will play a crucial role in determining whether the Federal Reserve will continue to pursue a hawkish monetary policy or shift to a more dovish position. A suboptimal consumer price index (CPI) has the potential to result in an additional increase in interest rates, thereby potentially exacerbating the negative impact on alternative cryptocurrencies. The XRP20 token has reached a significant milestone by reaching a valuation of $1 million during its pre-sale phase, demonstrating impressive performance. Investors are currently pessimistic about alternative cryptocurrencies such as XLM and XRP, but there is a notable increase in interest and support for newly introduced pre-sale tokens such as XRP20. Increased demand for the token resulted in a successful pre-sale that generated a total of $1.2 million in less than a week. The initial coin offering ICO for XRP20 is worth only $1. 0.00092 retail investors are becoming increasingly interested in the currency due to its on-chain stake tour and feature, which presents a promising opportunity to generate passive income. Furthermore, the ERC20 nature of the token enables seamless integration with existing Ethereum platforms and wallets, facilitating convenient token trading, tracking, and storage. In addition, the project has incorporated community-driven tokenomics, whereby 40% of the token supply is made available during the pre-sale phase, and an additional 10% is set aside to ensure liquidity on decentralized exchanges. The coin also employs an efficient burn mechanism in which 0.1% of each XRP20 transaction is sent to a burn address and a portion of 10 tokens are destroyed on purpose, thereby establishing a deflationary mechanism that seeks to increase the value of XRP20. The pre-sale is restricted to a maximum funding sum of $3.6 million, $650,000. Prospective investors can acquire the token by exchanging Ethereum ETH, Tether USD, or Binance Coin BNB for it. Please consider attending the XRP20 pre-sale event if you are interested. Is it a good time to invest in Bitcoin if its price increases by 2% in a day? The recent 2% increase in Bitcoin's price over a period of 24 hours has prompted speculation about its potential implications for investors. With the ongoing evolution of market dynamics, one is prompted to ponder whether the current surge in Bitcoin's value represents a favorable time to consider its acquisition. Let us continue investigating the potential for Bitcoin integration with insights from Michael Saylor was recently interviewed on a podcast by Michael Saylor. The chief executive officer of MicroStrategy elaborated on his viewpoint regarding the increasing trend of major corporations adopting and consolidating Bitcoin. Saylor emphasized the unavoidable nature of third-party and corporate participation within the Bitcoin ecosystem. The speaker asserted that with the increasing integration of Bitcoin into society, there will be a proliferation of diverse applications resulting in a universally applicable stride. Impractical Saylor outlined three primary justifications for the need for Bitcoin custodians. However, the user's text lacks the necessary academic tone and structure. It would be more appropriate to direct the reader to this source and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else.